I'm ready to take myself. Let's do this. Oh my goodness! Wow! So I look like a mess right now. I'm so sorry. It's Tuesday night and we are starting the 24-hour transformation. I go from a 1 to an 8. Hopefully an 8.5 because I need it badly. If you can't see my rusty hair, I need this transformation so bad. I know what you're thinking. How are we gonna do this, Morgan? Why are you saying you're 1 when we know you're 10? Girl, no, I'm 1. 1 right now because I'm looking like a hot mess. Like, this is all natural, messy, need to wash hair. I'm just giving you everything I've actually never done before, so I'm like truly excited. Also, you might be surprised, but I really do have a pop-in Instagram, which you guys should totally follow me, and I am Zoe Morgan. I'll leave it right here and in the description. Yes, self-promo. But anyways, I have a huge list that I have broken up into 2 parts. So there's the night before and the day of, and there's a lot for the night before. A lot. For the night before, I have to take a bubble bath. This is why I'm in my bathroom right now. And I have to shave my legs, shave my armpits, shave anything else I need to shave. And next thing, I need to tweeze my eyebrows. My eyebrows actually aren't that bad because I did tweeze and pluck them about a week ago. So it won't be that bad. Then the next thing I'm gonna do is a teeth whitening, which is like a charcoal teeth whitening thing. So hopefully, you know, that helps. But I actually went to the dentist like a week and a half ago. Bring a wig back to life. I'm washing my hair tonight, which is also on this list because as you can tell, my hair needs to be washed. So this could be a complete fail, or it could be like, damn Morgan, you need to wear that wig more often. I have to do my nails because my dumb butt decided this week I was gonna paint my nails. So I took off my old nail polish and started painting this hand, and then didn't paint this hand. I'm gonna figure out an outfit because I'm going to be doing an Instagram photo shoot to show off my 24-hour transformation, which means I'm getting my outfits ideas from, you know, Pinterest. Also follow me on Pinterest because my Pinterest is lit. For my makeup for tomorrow, I need to figure out whose makeup tutorial I'm gonna watch. Or not watch, but whose makeup tutorial I'm gonna follow. So I don't know whose makeup tutorial I'm gonna follow. I could follow James Charles because I've been obsessed with him lately, Jeffree Star, Jackie Aina, Alyssa Forever. I don't 100% know who I want to follow, but I gotta figure out who I'm gonna follow. Maybe I'll do Amanda Ensing. I just don't know who I'm going to follow. And that's all for the night before. Wow, that's a lot of stuff to, you know, prep myself. This is just the prepping. We're just prepping the face. This for the day of is my regular skincare routine. Oh wait, shoot, I forgot about my face mask, crapiola. And you know, brush your teeth, do deodorant, all that other stuff, you know, the important things, because you know, you gotta be all hygienic. Put my wig on, hopefully it looks popping. I need to follow that makeup tutorial that I just don't know yet. And then I need to do a like music video type like reveal showing off like my outfit that I like get from Pinterest that I try to recreate and stuff. And I hope it's good. And then I'm gonna have an Instagram photo shoot with the whole entire new look. So we're going to, you know, make your girl 1 to an 8.5 or an 8, whichever one works. I don't know if I should like light a candle and make it like cool or something, because I'm about to be in here for like a minute. Also over the age of 21. I'm 23, so yeah. Surprise, I know I look like a freaking 15-year-old. I'm surprised myself. I always thought I was gonna look older, but I just look like how I did when I was 15. I didn't age. 8 years go by. I was 15 in 2010. And my bathroom still. And I brought me a candle. That's like it. Like, woo. Guys, I haven't taken a bath. Like, I usually take a shower every day. But I haven't taken a bath in like almost 2 months. And I usually take baths once a week. I don't know what happened. But I'm excited. So tired. I don't know if I can do all of this. But right now, I've just finished my bath. I've shaved my legs. Armpits and all of this. I brushed out my wig. And I haven't really, it's not like stiff, it just really needs a nice like trim. So I'm gonna see what I can do with this baby. Oof. See what I can do with this baby. Let's see, because I like this. First off, I'm gonna this. Look away if you're a hairstylist. This might be cringe. Did the simple prep with the shaven legs, shaven pits, and all that other jazz. But tomorrow's the prep day, the nails, the teeth whitening, the face mask, the washing of my actual hair, the finished production of my short wig. And we will see. Because Thursday, I guess, is the day. So, right now I'm heading to Sephora to learn how to do my eyebrows for this 24-hour transformation. My mom and I booked it last week? Last week. And my eyebrows are doing pretty good. I mean, I did pluck my eyebrows last week and they still looking fresh. So, you know, your girl's about to understand how to work her eyebrows for this, you know, 24-hour transformation. Now I'm back from like seeing how they do like your eyebrows and stuff, and I'm gonna tweeze my eyebrows. I think I did it. Did a little shortening. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Yes, you can see my eyebrows. So I'm done with my nails. See, look at them. Aren't they pretty? Like they're nude with a one sparkly finger. I don't know where I got the inspiration from because I did not look on Pinterest. Shame on me. Bring my wig back to life, which is good. And then what else did I do? I tweezed my eyebrows, shaved my legs, you know, and my armpit and stuff. And then, you know, did my nails, and now I need to do a face mask. So face mask is coming to you. I'm not ready. I'm not ready for tomorrow's transformation. Like, I'm so not ready. I'm like scared to see how I look after this whole thing. So I'm putting on a sheet mask. Also, I'm just too lazy to put all that stuff on my face and then just wipe it off. It's so hard trying to do a transformation when you just feel like not doing anything, to be honest. We hear you, October. That's my cat, who whines a lot. Like, she starts whining at 2 a.m. in the morning. I know. Oh, it's cold. Cold. Hey guys, so I'm in my bed. I've done my face mask. So now my face is all getting ready to be popping. I look for tomorrow. I'm nervous. I'm very, very nervous for this whole like transformation. I need a like good rest to sleep, but I'm very nervous. I need to figure out the outfit, and I need to figure out what YouTube video I'm gonna do for like the makeup routine. So yeah. Okay, hey you guys, so it's the next day and I'm yeah, braided my hair and I put my wig cap on, so I'm just having it lay down with this headscarf wrapped around my head. And then I have to do my skincare routine, put in my contacts, which super excited. Then I finally figured out who I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna do Amanda Ensing, and I'm gonna put the video right here and then link it in the description down below. It's from her 5 Days of Glam series last year that she did, and this one's like a brown matte, like it's really nice, and I think it'll go with like the look, especially like the short hair and stuff, because she had short hair in it. So hopefully I do a good job following this makeup routine. Which honestly, there's so many things in this video that it's like I follow Amanda Ensing's makeup tutorial. I've got blue freaking eyes, although this light is a little blinding. Don't like that much, because I'm still trying to adjust to the contacts right now. So yeah, I have blue eyes, and now I'm about to do the makeup routine. So you're about to see a new face. I'm about to go downstairs, get some makeup like it says, do my face, and let this transformation continue. Oh my goodness. Well, yes, I look scary right now because I'm baking my face, and I took out my contacts. They hurt like hell. They made my vision blurry, and I just could not wear them no longer. So no, I could not wear those contacts. They just hurt the hell out of my eyes, and I really wanted to wear them for the transformation, but I was just literally like, I was driving to go pick up my stepbrother, and it effed up my vision, which I have better than 20/20 vision. So it slayed me. I was like, oh my god, like, it's effing up my vision. Oh, hold up, wait a second. Like, I'm driving, and like, it looks like the cars are like shaking while they're driving. I'm like, oh hell no. I literally pull up to a light and go click, click, pulled up, picked up my brother, threw him in the trash, and then drove back home, because I was like, I'm not keeping those, I'm gonna tempt myself. They just hurt, and I've had them for like only 3 months. So yeah, so changing up the transformation a little bit, so I had to like darken my eyeshadow, because like the makeup look that I was doing was based off of the fact that I had blue contacts. Now I don't, so but I'm still doing the transformation. Yeah, I'm ready to take myself. Let's do this.
Your bitch like I'm Hefner. I take 10% like I rep her. No faking my tits, but I'll check her. Your bitch.
Just cut it. I like this cute like short bob bingo. Like, it looks really good. I like this. Like these pants. Like, I would never think to like pair it with a top like this, especially for the fact that I didn't even think like this is so high-waisted, like it won't look bad in public. And then I've got these comfortable black booties that you probably can't see, but they're like super comfortable. And like these make my butt look good too. Like my butt look big. Like, and these sunglasses I got for $3 at Charlotte Russe. And then this whole outfit's from Shein, and the shoes are from Chic. Like, yes, like it's just living my best and bougie life. So this is the look. This is the look you see in the mirror. Booty looking nice. Booty. Top part, yes. About to give you photo shoot realness, but first let me tell you my outfit inspiration came from this picture right here. I took a couple pictures from Pinterest, but this one was my favorite, and I just thought I was gonna recreate that one. So I'm gonna recreate this. I recreated this outfit look. Now I'm about to have my little photo shoot for this outfit. Sorry if the wind's blowing in the background. Here are my pictures for the before and after. You know, I felt like I did pretty good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed to join this pham bam. Also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at I am Simply Morgan. Tell your girl what's up and what's happening, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out, home skillets, a biscuit.
We could do this all night.